Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to screen share on Discord mobile. So first of all, we will go into the Discord mobile application and you will see this kind of interface. And after that, click on here, just go back and you have to go on your account settings. Okay, so this is my account setting and just scroll it down and click over here voice, and just check that the input mode is in voice activity, not on push to talk. Okay, and just check this out, and if it's in this mode then it's nice, it is going to work. Okay, and if this is not going to fix your issue, just close the app. Now go into Play Store. Okay, go into Play Store and just type here Discord. Okay, and here you will see an option to update, and just update the app, and after that it will solve all the bugs and issues, and just you will have a pretty fine screen share over in Discord app. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till that time, goodbye, take care.